the party will never survive. This party will collapse. Makachromo meguno. Always nitise abewodro we Sticka. Osechebe sabo nitise fufu wodro na akwa we Sticka nitise abewodro. Sago positive-minded Ghanaians on social media megu MPP. I'll flip Ashanti region. I'll make it an NDC stronghold. Megu party, no. This party needs to go. This party needs to collapse. CV, my name is Kevin Akobedu Taylor. Oseche mezabo nitise wodro otwo huniti nitise wodro kwasi asabon kwa. Now shade another tribal bigot. What always nitise abe wodro we Sticka. Oseche mezabo nitise fufu wodro na akwa we Sticka nitise abe wodro. Sago vowe or say apologize and retract, or I will expose how we lost 2024 elections. It win him. The leadership of the party, no, Sakwawe, not a minister, they know what caused their defeat. But one can't followers, no, because someone say MPP followers, ne Jimmy. Yeah, Sanko Vowe. We are the same insect, so the same bloodline. You cannot change them. Also, Obiaka said, "Tiano, se nipa na ntwe ansan a obetire Ghana for at the kudienti omuluzu elections no." The leadership of the MPP, they know why they lost the election. They know. But why are they not talking about it? Because some followers near dying, ebi dying. Ya the party a chomo fruma. Yen to me ye mun sunum fasa wan shem. Omunim say omwe Jimmy, de ebe dada omo. Intende asime sia ban what I say. They know why they lost. They know why they lost. They know, sir, party, no, the followers are stupid because this is the situation. Time a year NDC losing election 2016. The NDC quelled in. They went inside, they looked within, and they started making corrections. So you did not even hear much about what they were doing. They put together a committee, they had their problems solved, and they started putting things in place. Here in 2020, John Mahama winning elections. We all know. Now, it was hard for you to hear an NDC person sit on radio to make a statement to say this and that and this and that, because they basically were like, you know what? We have seen our defeat. We know what caused it. And they shared it and they made sure they corrected it. Banko Fowe, nimadia lose elections, no. But why do you think they are keeping it? They are keeping it to themselves because followers near the foolish masses. Followers followers, majority of them are foolish. Form. Jimmy from UP to NLM to NPP are the same people. It's to 10 minutes without telling you, say, I had you free. Because they do a lot of segregation. A lot of gerrymandering. Free ha. And segregation and gerrymandering and no DMPP a tribal party. Now ask this guy what caused their defeat. Never spoke. One kasa to some lose election after 3 months. Afe or president abedi. Say MPP lose power now. It will take over 12 years before they come back to power. Why do you think he's here? He's coming to prepare the party for the next 12 years. He is coming in to prepare the party for the next 12 years because omunim say sa pathway say anje party na nkofie ama himfu endie nima, the party will never survive. This party will collapse. Makachromo meguno. Until they take the tribalism out and tell Ghanaians exactly what the party represents. Me gu party no menkwa meguno. Maka same way, and you people thought I was joking. But it will be real in the next year or two. You will see. Megun flats. Remember the young Asantinia Kwarano, Sebio, or Pempuntio, or Padepano. I will flip Ashanti region and make it a full NDC stronghold. I am promising Otunfo. I will flip it. And I'll flip it with facts. I will flip it with the truth. I will let Asantini Akoya now on street in Soro demand for accountability and question the NPP as a political party, what it actually means to be part of the NPP. You don't have to be part of NPP because you are Santini. You need to be part of the NPP because the NPP should stand for something. It should stand for a national agenda. It should stand for the people. It cannot stand for a clan. It cannot stand for a group. It cannot stand for a province. The party should represent every single person. And the young Asantini Akorano, we will let them understand, educate them for them to understand. Say, I am voting for my future, voting for a good hospital, voting for roads, voting for employment. I am voting for unification of Ghana as one country. And I, Kevin Taylor, and my team, make good MPP. Me catch them from 2020. Me say, I will take power from the Ashanti region. And you saw what happened. I took power. God being so good, he guided us with the facts to take that power. And sometimes, we have been in this game for long. We have been here for a long time. And we know what it takes to take power. And I am promising Otumfuo Setutu, I will flip Ashanti region for him to be proud of Ashanti region. I will turn it around. I will turn Ashanti region into an NDC stronghold. I am telling you, and it is a promise. We are not joking here. We are looking out for the young people. You perceive politics and make it better impact. You perceive taking decisions that will affect their future positively. And hey, and you're free, and we are letting the young people and Ghanaians understand. Say, their governments and their governments, their parties and their parties. There's vision and there are things party needs to do for you. And to also be a I am proud this came to me. Anything I make catch MPP for me, single-handedly, the support of my team in Koto, Free Mind, Kebwachi, positive-minded Ghanaians on social media, make good MPP. I will flip Ashanti region. I will make it an NDC stronghold. Make good party, This party needs to go. This party needs to collapse. We need to build a new MPP that represents the country, not an MPP that represents a stool. No, that party cannot rule Ghana. It cannot govern. That party's principles and vision does not link up with what we want. So we will make sure we cut the MPP into pieces for a better MPP built from scratch with better vision. We are not joking. And we are not going to let people think, say, we are going to plead them. I will never plead with anyone to vote for the NDC. I will feed you with the fact you'll be forced to do that. Meguno. You people have no idea what is coming. Now, NDC for almost say 2025 Deputy Finance Minister said they will cancel what we call E-Levy and betting tax. This is the Deputy Finance Minister. Or say budget na NDC be ready no. Almost share Ghana for boss omoba power betting tax any E-Levy it will be in the budget and they will cancel it. You want this party to compete with any party? No. Assembly John Mahama and NDC Fuaka, they are delivering. And this should tell you there's a difference between these two parties. Almost on the betting tax in budget, you need to understand, say, E-Levy betting tax, so Ghana will be strong. Because these are all nuisance taxes. When nobody di a janka fosika, omudi a abatan sika, MPP have been for 8 years. That's why I'm saying, say, they don't have the moral right to even discuss Ghana's economy. They don't. Why do you think, say, we are having economic forum for all of us to come and reason? Almost because these people are nation wreckers. Almost say chrono, almost kotinanchen, almost to try yampia, and this baba chichi chrono de omokwasiaba. No, we will wait for 42 years. Me say, we are going to wait for another 42 years to give you people a new party the opportunity. And Okrano, that is when we are about to think, say, yang consider Moana Sadabi. 42 years, and you're guaranteed. You need to prove yourselves. That 42 years, so you people need to prove yourselves. Say, you are capable. You are not tribalistic. But until you're able to do that, nobody, the NPP should never be given the opportunity to lead this nation. Never. We will be fools to allow the NDC, the NPP, that is so tribalistic. Inti me catch Ghana young people aye di musika through betting. You say betting tax no budget na eba no. John Mahama finance minister say ye betwem. E-Levy budget na eba no. John Mahama ene na aban say ye betwem. Me de me hia say mesuma brewa baby okowu na mfa me ho. When the betting tax and the E-Levy is cancelled, the way children back case. Into the minimum say mesuma brewa baby okowu atono brewa na problem. And this John Mahama catch them say we are going to cancel betting tax and E-Levy. Are they going to do it? Do it. And I'm going here because you see, politics is about trust. It's about the word over trusting. If I can trust the word of the NDC, as someone catch them, so why shouldn't I give them a lot of support and keep them in power? That's all. That's politics. Politics is about trust. And Nitina Mahmoud Baumia, Odi Atra kodu point na ni nuanum nkrebo for say no, oye munafiki mutum banzani. If we say he does not live to a year in sema oka. And the John Mahama promised me, or promising Ghana for say he will do this. No, in your power, no, why should I sit here and say I want a pig to come lead me? No. And see, politics is all about trust, and this is what I mean by trust. Budget ni bana John Mahama yi betting tax ni E-Levy. The first 120 days, nyoma waka, John Mahama is doing them. And if the first 120 days, John Mahama yes I nyoma, why should I be worried? And I know I can trust him, and I know that you know something. The NPP as a political party, they never told the people the truth. Now, Sticka Kasembi, my member video in short. Thank you, team. Thank you for bringing this in. Muntia Sticka, this is what he said about NPP Asma Meka. Omunim the reason why to lose elections, no? They know. But when you say followers, not Jimmy, because Omunum can kind of TikTok. And Ankwasiafo, you are discussing Kevin Taylor. She, do you know what Kevin Taylor? Dear Emma Kevin Taylor, you have no idea. Dying.
Research on the prospects of the 2024 election conducted by the Department of History and Political Science at the KNUST was based on public perception and a preference of the NPP's vice presidential candidate, Dr. Matthew Opoku-Prempeh. The research highlights the negative impact of Dr. Opoku-Prempeh as running mate to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia during the 2024 campaign. Lead researcher Professor Samuel Ledu-Jemfi sheds light on the findings.
The running mate in any political party should potentially, if not galvanize support, at least serve as an icing on the cake of the campaign. So satisfaction with Dr. Prempeh as VP candidate to Bawumia further emphasizes several things. The data on satisfaction with Dr. Matthew Opoku-Prempeh's performance as the vice presidential candidate showed a predominantly negative response from respondents. A significant 36.31% were very unsatisfied, and 6.35% were unsatisfied, indicating considerable discontent with his performance. In contrast, 24.39% of respondents remained neutral, suggesting uncertainty or indifference. Meanwhile, 17.69% were very satisfied, and 15.26% were satisfied, reflecting some positive feedback, but not enough to counterbalance the dissatisfaction.
Professor Ledu-Jemfi made some recommendations for Dr. Matthew Opoku-Prempeh's candidacy going forward.
Elections and politics is science. And so today, we have all seen the outcome of the elections, and we saw what happened. So it is not time for the NPP to be beating its chest. It is time to learn, relearn, unlearn, and to look at the way forward to make sure that the party is properly positioned in terms of its candidature, and more so who becomes the running mate or who stays as a running mate in looking at the science of what Ghanaians are looking at.
Dr. Amache Boateng, a political scientist at KNUST, also cited public dissatisfaction towards the NPP's running mates.
The broader Ghanaian public, should their concerns be factored, into the party's selection of their, let's say, flag bearer, let's say, the running mate, should a party consider internal factors alone, given the fact that the crucial thing is going to be decided on by the bigger Ghanaian public? So I think these are interesting issues that political parties will want to take note of going forward.
For Joy News.
Professor KNUST. Sorry, it's not Sticka. Professor Matthew Boatini, Babkura no Kasa Mokoshi de Numuno. Almost na po de dabi. Me see, when you know such a mess about Zumo and no prepare grounds. Obo you na po free equation nim. Almost na po the candidate and then and so you bodam ni toilet gunu ho din wechi. When to me afa bibia mbeka mo party no ho. Meaning nipa na oyi na po de Jimmy Chan na po. They are trying to dismantle Obia. They are paving way for Asantiniba to lead the party. Because people say na po Jimmy. Now, how are they going to be able to make sure that they clear Napo from the equation? Now, professors, when Napo was being chosen, where were they? They all sat back. Now, suddenly, they have gathered their voices. They have done serious research. They now know, say, the MPP lost because Nipana Oyi Rani mate ne Jimmy and a Rani mate ne Jimmy. Me say, 2028, NPP will drop from 88 to 24. I'm telling you. They have no vision. It is all about themselves. It's all about their tribe. They be a Mikache Ghana for. We should be very vigilant when it comes to NPP because they did not form this party because of Ghana. They formed this party because of their tribe. Let's be serious in this nation. Let's never give these people the room. And then the MPP and the Etumitina radio so discuss Ghana sikasem. Why should anybody in this country be telling us to say Yama and the MPP for discuss Ghana sikasem? Amin Adams, Sticka, Bawumia. Why should we do that? Why should we even allow that? Why should we even allow that? That is insane. Why should anybody even sit on TV to compare the NDC to the MPP? And Tani with Jimmy. Onim the Okeka. A tribe they are not ready. There's nothing like neutrality in politics. I've taken a stand to protect and defend good governance. I will defend the NDC. Yes. So go. Because I worked hard with the facts to bring NDC to power. With other people with good heart like myself. What I have seen now is good governance and I will protect it. Let nobody lie to you. Hey, media NDC for Mitaomo, MPO, Sanko for Jantra for coming Diomo. They know where they are coming from. There's nothing like neutrality in politics. You need to take a stand or you walk. And even you decided not to take a stand, you have taken a decision. No. Take a decision, protect that decision, and make people know you have credibility to protect that decision. That is why I keep telling you on my platform, I will not come here and defend the NDC without fact. I will let you understand the reason why I am defending the NDC. Because I was saying the fact in the show, now my mouth here say, I could me defend the NDC, hey, no. And you town way, and I wear the Jimmy, and I wear the Nimuno, and I wear the comfort, and I that be sign your money chum, nay Ash FM, yes, and your money chum. Some political show now, you could take Adoma in Cross chum. This is real journalism. This is making the people know the truth. This is making sure you are adding the facts to what you say. People should know where you are coming from. I am not neutral. No, I will never be neutral. If I decide not to defend the NDC again, I will let you know. But as I sit here, I've seen good governance because in 9 way Ghana, so I saw it. I had first-class information, letting Ghanaians know what this government is made out of. I will not sit here and give them room. I will not go do that. And that does not mean, say, the government in power, I will not criticize it. I will. But I will not give MPP any room. That is my job. I am not neutral. I am here to protect a government that is ready to serve. And I've seen that the leader of the NDC, the government of the day, the president is willing, respect the people, to serve the people. So why should I change my mind? Nothing is going to stop me from doing what I'm doing. I am going to be consistent and I'm going to keep doing it. if you think you can fact check me, fact check me. And nobody can fact check me because I use the principles of journalism to work. I stick to the principles. I use facts to back my statements. Kwasia ni atene kwasia. Ya nipa ya di atem ebae. Ya mfa atenie enya emwanti ni ya atenie o. Nipa. Nipa omwejimi ti ni ya atenie. Enti so won si edi nipa atema na sa nipa no omo react omo nye omo so mba nipa. So atenie is part. Nkurama. Insult is part. So opese wo dane body. Opese wo toto body na opese ya so wo dane no. Wo dane na bi be so nsa. I will see a dim at Tamna Mohotemo. If you say Bible no cracker, Sakura Jimmy one train swaba or Dania Bois. So insult it will come with the lele because enoni ongano enona egum ema near there. Until the lady there you will get it. We are kwasia. Where Jimmy. I am not going to mince words because me I'm a dad. Me a dada. Me nyakwarao. Majority of them kwasia from TV so me nycha. Yes. Ya woman ya wo anytime I can say Obia ondi over 42 years, me no nyan tokwa. Me mbodi, me no ni because you are a kid. You are not 42 years old. You are a kid. I only banter people who are over 42 years. 38, 37. You don't know anything in life. At that point, and I see you as a junior high kid school, the junior high school kid. We are kwara. Because I deal with people who are matured. I deal with adults. People over 60, 70 years. I sit with people who are intelligent. I will not waste my time on a 37-year-old, 38-year-old kid. No. I am not a kid. Me a dad. My wife calls me honey. Yeah. I'm not going to allow a kid to come and be fooling because I don't have time for kids. I deal with adults. And it's almost my boss said my boss Sticka ding, me bonko for ding, so my bo ding away akwara. You are a kid, and I don't mingle with lele's. Oh ya akwara, you can play with a dog, not Kevin Taylor. I am too high for me to come that low to be dealing with 30-year-old kids. No, undi 42 years. Don't ever try so benyam attention. You are not going to get it. It's exactly 5:54 p.m. U.S. East Coast time. 5 minutes to 11 in Ghana. 5 minutes to 6 p.m. in the United States of America. Tomorrow is Wednesday. I'm going to be here. Minko baby me my juma way ache. I'm not here because of who is watching me and who is not watching me. I am here because it is my duty to be here. And the one junior say, Kevin Beko, I am not going anywhere. People will come, people will drop. I am resolute. My team is solid. We know what we are doing. Yes, start here. Namunim say NDC 1.8 million votes. You didn't know. But on says more reality no. So we are not perturbed. Nothing flex. People will go and people will come. We are not going anywhere. We will stay here and will serve the truth. Midin the Kevin Akobedu Taylo. Me, I am not a pushover. Me, you people can form all the forces. I will still stand. Now more power, Krampon. I stood and I conquered all of you. More power no. Mukunipa. More young kwasi adini no. More last kid that Japan or by America. I spent $250,000. I defeated him. What is Akwarana? Mumusano. Obeto my stage abomidin. Ka obeto panato ewiem. I am not a kid. I know what I am doing. I understand this game. And nothing in this game surprises me. Don't underestimate my platform way. Don't ever. It is solid. Metiasa no men whom is simple sao. 90% of you, when you see me, you can't look in my eyes. I'm telling you. 90% of you people watching me. When you see me in person, you think it's a joke? It is not. And we are not stopping. You people can form all the alliance in Ghana against me, Ekobedu. I will defeat you. Allah, onimakumem. Now, as far as Nyankopon onimakumem, no, I don't care about man. Nobody. John Dramani Mahama will rule and he will deliver. The NDC will lead. As far as I live and God gives me that breath to sit here, nobody. Nobody. Me I want to kakra na me amfantini kakra. I'm a mixed blood. Oh yeah, then I'm in show, I'm in Kasa. I have a plan. And that plan will manifest. My name is Kevin Akobedu Taylor. It's been good. It's been nice. It's been wonderful. Be good, God bless you, God bless me. We are all messengers who are ready and willing to speak truth to power. Cheers, Abuache, Gigim.
Yo, we are best fishermen. No answer my Abuache. You will for Belgium fan. It was a tia Belgium fan. It was two Belgium fan. Why you're here? Why round what? Why you're here? Why round what? Why you're here? Why round what? Why you're here? Supono, why round what? It was for Belgium fan. It was a tia Belgium fan. It was two Belgium fan. It was a Belgium fan. Why you're